Welcome to a new edition of TripleChip's Unbox the Box. Today we're going to be showing you the Champion power equipment. It's a 52cc and it's the Earth Auger. Picked this up at Canadian Tire for $349.99. That's its regular price. I haven't seen it on sale, so I thought I needed one to put in. I'll be planting these trees today, and I got one other one. Got two white spruce, and this one over here is a Siberian lurch. They grow about 20-30 feet tall. They're going to be putting these in the yard. I thought I needed something to rip up the ground. And I did call before you dig, so everything's good. Okay, it's got an 8-inch auger, 8 inches wide. You can go a depth of 30 inches on it. It's got the extra wide handles for extra control. It's got padding on it for anti-vibration. It's a direct drive that provides a lot of torque, and then it's got a hardened bit on the end. And it comes with your 2-stroke engine oil, which has got to be mixed 50-1. So let's get to unboxing. Here we go. Box is a little wet. It rained the other night, so. Really waterlogged here. And it looks like if you leave a review, I'll be doing that for sure. If it's not expired, you can get a free t-shirt. Just got to fill out that thing and send it in. Leave a review of it, and you get your operator's manual. Okay. Pull this cardboard out of here. Oh, she's heavy. Pretty heavy duty. That's where your end piece is going to screw into there. Looks like it's right here. You're gonna have to get some type of scissors to take that off after. This one's supposed to roll away. Okay. There's your main unit. Get the plastic here. It's supposed to have like foam grips on it, but soft hand grips. There's no foam even on. It's just metal. It was somewhere in the box. Oh, it looks like right in here. I think this is your hand grips right here. I want to throw those away. What the heck is that? Oh, that's your huge bottle of 50-1 right there. Wow. So it wasn't the hand grips. Nothing in there. apparently you don't get no hand grips with it. It's just, you can always throw gloves on if need be. So you're gonna put in your gas and your oil when you got to mix 50 to 1. You got your throttle right here. A little on and off switch right there. And your choke, I believe, is just right here. Here's your choke. So once you get it started, you're gonna keep her on choke for about 15 seconds. Well, let's put this baby together. So simply just gonna be, move the oil out of the way. See, there should be some other parts, because there should be like a pin or something that locks this onto here. Tape off. You're just gonna line it up with your holes here. Just gonna slide on like so. Let's see a little bit further. I'm missing, there should be a cotter pin, maybe it's in here. Let's be right back to you. I gotta get something to snap this clip off. Okay, well, we got the packages off there. So in this one package you get, I'll just get this here. Get your pin I was talking about that just simply just pulls out right here. And we're just going to slide it through here. Let's get that turned maybe. No. It'll work that way. Oh, that's something else I was supposed to. Okay, we'll revisit that in a second. Remember I was saying it's missing foam? Well, here's metal. And it's just the thinnest layer here. Almost like they put tape on it, but it's some type of rubber. So the pads are built onto it. Now I was just looking at the oil. 76 mil, so it's going to take almost 4 liters of gas to mix with this whole thing of oil. Let's just move this down a touch. Guess we can put this piece on next. Nice heavy gauge steel, so this is what he's going to stab into the ground to get your initial hole going. Not just simply as threads into the end here. Just like so. This hand tight's good enough. Okay, and one other thing is, say if you lose your manual, you can see on here, it's got all your basic instructions, so just follow it all in order. 1, 2, all the way to 7. Should get you started every time. Let's just see if we can get this pin in. Okay, there we go. We got a clear shot in. I'll just show you from this way so you can see what I'm doing. That's a little. Okay, there we go. Well, it looks like it should. There we go. Once you get it through, simply just snap that on, and that's it. So when we get back, we'll be right back. I don't know if YouTube deems it dangerous, but I'm going to mix this offline. Be back. We'll have some fuel in here, and we'll show you starting it up. And we're back. Okay, what I forgot to show you guys too, get a nice little spark plug removal too, which probably won't have to use for a while, but wondering where the spark plug is, just right here. You just simply pull this cap off. Tool will just go there and remove it. We'll put that back on for now. So that snaps. Your choke and stuff is right here. So unless it's cold out, you might have to use your choke sometimes. But I just had it running, I got it fueled up. I'll just show you. You gotta make sure you turn your on-off switch on first. So put it in the on position. Okay. Well, what the heck? Put it on choke. Why the heck is that so? Just going just a second ago. Jeez. Bail. Oh, it's like it sits up too high for me to hold. Okay. Just prime it a couple times. Switch is on. Okay. There we go. Let it run for a couple minutes. That's it for the Champion Earth Auger from Canadian Tire. So just make sure you check out my other video. It's going to be on TripleChip's Adventures, where I'll show you this actually going and being used. So stay tuned for that one. Thanks for watching. Hopefully y'all enjoyed it. Make sure to give it a big thumbs up if you liked it. And please consider subscribing. Catch you in the next one.